Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? My name is Engineer Muhammad Wasim as an instructor electronics in the Government College of Technology Tesla, Pakistan. In the today video that I am recording is related to actually a comparison between the single stage Wilkinson power divider and a three stage Wilkinson power divider. First have a look at how it looked like. Now moving toward the CST studio. This is the project of a single stage Wilkinson power divider that I show in my previous video, in which this is the input point and this is the output point. It is 1 to 2 port Wilkinson power divider. It means that we have to connect the two patch antenna, one at that position and other at that positions. Actually, it is a single stage because we have a single resistor connected with it. Now, what happened if we move from a single stage to 2, 3 or 4 stages Wilkinson power divider? Now, this is a design of the 3-stage Wilkinson. How the 3-stage look like, as similarly as this is the input point and this is the output point. It means we have a two output ports, output port number 1, port number 2, and this is the single stage, this is the second stage, this is the third stage. In each stage we have a lumped element like this lumped element, this lumped element and this lumped element. Then what are the values that are chosen here? And move toward the lumped element. In the element number 1, it is actually R is equal to R1. We select as R is equal to R1 and its value is 100 ohm. Second resistor value is 200 ohm. Third resistor is 400 ohm, like it look here. 3 resistors actually provide the isolations between these two ports. How it is designed? It is designed as I did show you in the single stage Wilkinson power divider. Now first I show you the result. It means the S parameter result of this module. Its result is this. It covers the band of 7.5 to the 12.5 with starting point as a from here minus 19.7 and end at 0 point. Now moving toward the 3-stage Wilkinson, we have this type of a result. Its gain or the return loss is much better as compared to the single stage Wilkinson power divider. As you saw that in the single stage, it is starting point is upside, but it is acceptable for both. Now we want to compare both of them. Therefore, we have a result. This result shows that comparison actually between the single stage Wilkinson and the 3-stage Wilkinson. The upper graph, this red line is actually the result of the 3-stage Wilkinson, and the green graph is actually the result of the Wilkinson of having 3 stages. It is clearly mentioned that this red line have a consistency and its gain is much better and better. Return loss is much better and better as compared to this. They have very good return loss in the middle point, but as in the upward in the red line, it is normal. Now how it is designed, the multi Wilkinson divider. The multiple section Wilkinson power divider is designed as I designed in the single Wilkinson. We have to make the copy of this, but while increasing the number of the stages, the width should be increased, and if you select the width of this, the same width is selected here. at that position. For example, if you select this, then the width of this should be this. For example, we have, if it is W0, it should be W0. If you have this is W1, it should be W1. Okay, it means that the side legs width is equal to the width of this section, which is used for connection of this resistor. Actually, while designing this point, yeah, or this space, you have to first take a SMD resistor from your market and check their width, the availability of the width. Or the SMD resistor is of 0.8 mm or 0.6 mm, which length? Then you have to make the length according to this SMDs that you found in the market. While after designing, you have to simulate this. Now make the difference, what happened for the single stage and what happened for the 3 stage. You can also increase the number of the stages up to 5, not more than 5. Its actually formula is that we have, if its formula is that first of all we have to take the smaller or minimum frequency or starting frequency and add it with the maximum frequency, and then divide it with 2. You get the center frequency, and also you can get the number of the stages here. Now in this video I actually wanted to show you the comparison between the 1 to 3 stage Wilkinson power divider. You saw there is a different types of output. This green line actually showing the output of single stage, and the red line showing the single stage. If you increase the number of the stages, then the bandwidth increased. Hopefully you understand in this video. Thank you. Bye.